As the world turned its attention to the climate conference in Copenhagen, Mountain View local businesses and residents continue to do their part to minimize their carbon footprint. At the global level, over 15,000 officials from over 200 countries are working to find a solution to global warming. At the city level, Mountain View has already begun numerous projects to green their city.
In fact, if everyone on the planet lived at the standard of living of the United States, we actually would need 5 planet Earths to sustain every human on the planet today.
To address this sobering fact, the city recently adopted greenhouse gas emission reduction targets as a reminder of the city's long-term sustainability goals. But talks of targets and climate solutions mean little without the cooperation of local businesses and individuals committed to running sustainably. Over 25 Mountain View businesses are already green, and the Bay Area Green Businesses Program verifies that they are meeting environmental standards.
Is extensive. It's a multi-page report that we need to fill out. We need to identify how we're handling every aspect of the business, from energy use to recycling.
Book Buyers, a used bookstore, received their certification just 6 months ago.
We've replaced all the bulbs in our track lighting with compact fluorescents, which also use significantly less electricity. This was so simple. It was just a question of asking the customer,
"Do you want a bag?"
"No." That simple one-sentence question reduced our usage by over half.
Harv's Car Wash exceeded the program's environmental standards by only using recycled water for all of their washes. Audio High, a music and home theater systems company, requires an immense amount of electricity to power their store, but finds several ways to reduce their energy bill each month.
When we built this building, we double insulated everything, and we put in all the skylights down the hallway and built all the offices with glass doors so that the natural light would come in and illuminate the offices. And when we built this building that we're in now, we designed it to be completely solar powered. So our business operates completely from solar power, and then we have all these solar panels on the roof to power everything.
Moffett Laundromat received Mountain View's Environmental Enhancement Award for being an exemplary environmental model for the community. The other recipient? Google.
So we were doing the same kind of thing which Google's doing, and Google is very much into the energy saving and environmental things. So now we train all the machines to energy saving washers. This one's 18 pounds of clothes in there, but it uses less water, and they wash better. And they all used to be on at all times. It's like a daylight in there. So we said we don't need it. So we changed all those, as I mentioned in the light wash program, we changed all these to T12. And one of the main things is that if the linen screens are always clean, so they give you most efficient way, or we kind of partnering with the customers to do their job. So what they used to do, they will come by and they take the soap bottle and just dump in the trash. But now, what happened is that we have signs in different languages, encouraging them to please recycle. And all these things, sheetrock, the toilet door, even plastic things, this is all recycled.
I think for the most part, we may be a little ahead of the curve than I think a lot of the cities. I mean, I see everyone moving in that direction, but they're still grappling with what to do. Exactly.
Hopefully this won't be something new that we just talk about, it is just something you do.
And with several Mountain View businesses on board, it seems that the city has a bright future. This has been Stacy Chan reporting for the Silicon Valley Pulse.